last morning here. It's a beautiful campground. I am gonna go back to bed. Why? Because I can. And we don't have to be out till 1. Fire bro, now we're gonna cool up. Highlands Hammock State Park here in Sebring, Florida. Site 109. Nice little spot if you like to have neighbors close. I like to have space and a little bit more privacy, I should say. So, but nice area, nice park. Definitely will come back in the future someday. We're gonna head back home. See you guys when we get there. American Freedom Tour 2023. Fired up. Right, Dookie? Dookie fired up. Have a good one. Nice guy. Everybody asks about my cool little van. It's like, I want to get one of those. They are known to be beat up, construction, a lot of miles. That's what they're pretty much built for, is transfer van. So, well, anyways, guys, this was a great 2-nighter. Enjoyed it. Enjoyed the hike yesterday. Enjoyed that Blue Lagoon place. Great wings, great atmosphere for sure. So, don't know where we're gonna be going next. That's the plan. Play it by ear.